Hello everybody, this is Joanna from My Love Manitoba, and today we're gonna visit La Musée de Saint-Boniface Museum, which is located in Winnipeg, province Manitoba, and also known as Grey Nuns Convent. Sited facing the Red River and downtown Winnipeg, it is an important element in the historic Roman Catholic ecclesiastical complex of Saint Boniface. The building now serves as the Saint Boniface Museum. We'll tell you everything about all different kinds of interesting things you're gonna find there. Currently, the admission is pay as you wish, but make sure to double check it with the museum once you decide to go there. Don't forget to hit a subscribe button if you don't want to miss our new videos, because next video may be exactly what you're looking for. Also, leave your comment below and like the video if you found it cool or interesting. So, this building is actually the oldest building existing in Winnipeg, and it's the largest oak log structure in all North America. This building, constructed between 1846 and 1851, was originally the Grey Nuns Convent. The former nunnery has been an orphanage, a school, and a seniors' home. It was the first institution of this kind in the West and was the first incarnation of the St. Boniface Hospital. The building was built using the Red River construction method, also called mortise and tenon or tongue and groove. The building uses no nails at all to hold it together. This style was brought to North America by settlers of New France and was popular for homes, churches, stores, and outbuildings throughout the area until the 1870s. In this technique, short squared logs are mortised and set into upright log posts. In subtle notch construction, logs were usually roughly cut with grooves to accept each other. The Grey Nuns is the name of religious order of the Sisters of Charity of Montreal, founded by a nun, Sainte Marguerite Duville, was made to help, care for, and comfort all those who were in distress and in need. Among the group sisters at the Mother House, 17 volunteered to go to the Red River colony, but only 4 were chosen. The sisters arrived in 1844 by canoe. Their trip took them about 2 months and was very tough. Immediately, they began teaching boys and girls, but soon the Grey Nuns realized that the colony's needs were greater than just education. Soon, nursing became one of the sisters' main occupations. Besides home visits, they opened the first hospital room to care for the sick and the elderly in their new convent. So in this museum, you can see how the Grey Nuns lived, how they were treating people, and it's all dedicated to their life here in Winnipeg and their heroic work for the benefit of people. The Grey Nuns have been in the Winnipeg-St. Boniface region for 140 years. The specific hardships and challenges have changed over the years, but the purpose of the Grey Nuns has always been to provide help, hope, meaning, friendship, and love. Housed within the original Grey Nuns Convent, the museum's exhibits relate to topics such as the fur trade and early French-Canadian settlers of Manitoba, the Grey Nuns, the Métis people, and Louis Riel, founding father of Manitoba. A beautiful chapel tells the dramatic story of Saint Boniface's churches, basilicas, and cathedrals. A mixture of informative exhibits balances the experience with tableau vivant rooms where visitors find themselves looking into a variety of scenes such as a bison hunt camp, a turn-of-the-century country kitchen, and a 1920s upper-middle-class city house. The museum contains many Franco-Manitoban and Métis artifacts. The Grey Nuns played many roles in the development of healthcare and education in a community. Therefore, there are quite a few different plaques and monuments commemorating their efforts all over the city. Here's a quick little walking tour of the ones found near the Saint Boniface Museum. This exhibit features artifacts that remind us that our history is made of people's daily lives, of people accomplishing extraordinary things, and of people involved in major historical events. Each person has played a role in shaping our province, and their belongings give us a glimpse into various aspects of people's lives. The objects you see highlight the wide range of lived experience in Manitoba's Métis and French-Canadian communities and share the stories of small store owners, farmers, professionals, activists, homemakers, historic icons, and children. Also, the museum has a permanent exhibit dedicated to Louis Riel. There is a display with locks of his hair, his revolver, his shaving kit, his moccasins, and other items belonging to him, plus pieces of the rope used to hang Riel, the white hood placed on him before he was hanged, and the coffin where his body was placed after his execution. In the end of your journey, you can find yourself in an amazing boutique within the same building. Blending nostalgic charm with today's mindfulness, the museum offers up the rustic to visitors and locals alike who are searching for the perfect gift or memento. Great care is given to offer an eclectic array of local artisans' works, indigenous jewelry and crafts, French-Canadian and Métis specialty items, old-fashioned children's toys, and products that are eco-conscious. So take some time to visit this wonderful place, which is the oldest amazing part of our history. Hopefully, this video was helpful and it inspired you to visit the St. Boniface Museum. If you have any helpful information to share with our viewers, please leave your comment and share your experience with us. And if you have any advice for us, please make sure to leave your comments as well, as we are so happy to hear from you guys and want to make sure our channel is useful and interesting for you. If you've learned something new or you just liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit a subscribe button. And as always, this is Joanna from My Love Manitoba, and we'll see you soon in our next videos.